everyone and welcome to next video. In this video we are animating the remaining parts of our logo. As you can see, in previous video we have animated the 3 flap parts. In this part we will animate the remaining parts of our logo. So let us select the last part. And we are using same process. We are animating position, rotation and opacity property. So we have kept our keyframes for position, rotation and opacity. And by going back in time, we are resetting the parameters value so that Premiere Pro knows what is its path of rotation, position and opacity. You only have to tell Premiere Pro about the start and end of the animation. All the things in between will be calculated by Premiere Pro. As you can see, we have successfully animated our 4 flaps and our first part. But one thing you observe that the motion of our parts is not that smooth, so we can add easy ease to the keyframes by selecting all the keyframes, right click and go to ease out. So now the motion of all this animation will be smooth. Easy ease is used, or ease in or ease out is used to add speed variation to our animation. Like it will start slowly and it will end slowly, so it will give a little bit of realistic look to our animation. So we are at all the end keyframes. We are adding ease out. And we are doing same thing for all the layers. We want all the layers to have ease out animation at end so that the motion does not stop abruptly, it slows down. It gives a little bit of real look to our animation. So one by one we are adding ease out animation to end keyframes. As you can see now, the flaps are not stopping abruptly, they are slowing down and then stopping. So in this video we have animated our first